Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when DirectX is not supported on your system when you try to play InZOI game. So in order to fix this, first of all, you want to go ahead and update your drivers. So I wouldn't suggest to use a device manager because it usually says that my drivers are up to date. Although when I go to, for example, NVIDIA app, because I have NVIDIA GPU, when you go to graphics, you will see you have a download ready. So basically you can update your drivers here, or you can also do this manually by going on your browser and just writing NVIDIA latest drivers, and the same for AMD. And once you will do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, you want to go ahead, right click on InZOI on Steam or wherever you have downloaded it. And here check if launch options are clear. If you will see something like so, you want to go ahead and delete it in your launch options. Now you also want to check if your system supports DirectX 12. So you're gonna go on search, write on run, enter. And here on run, you're gonna write down DX So it's gonna like do a diagnostics. You're gonna click OK. So basically this is how it looks like. You're gonna go ahead and do a diagnostics and you will see the version of your DirectX. Now, if your system does not support DX12, you want to try to go to properties and then launch options. You want to try to write down DX11 and try to run the game on DX11 and see if the problem was fixed or not. And you also want to go ahead to your browser and go to Microsoft and download the latest DirectX end user runtime web installer, and your problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.